Today we're making raspberry muffins, and you're gonna love this simple recipe because it's really easy. Just mix flour, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, and kosher salt. Whisk those ingredients together and then do the wet ingredients. An egg, give it a good whisk. And add buttermilk, a little bit of vegetable oil, and a little almond extract. Then you just combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. This makes a really thick and unctuous batter, and it's just perfect for adding fresh berries to because they won't sink to the bottom. So in this case we're using raspberries, but you could do blackberries or blueberries, whatever you like. And you see how thick and rich that batter is. It's fabulous. And just spray your muffin tins. By the way, this is making a small 6-batch muffin. We've got a smaller household, so that's what I did. But you can double it, triple it. A little bit of sparkling sugar adds crunch to the top, which I really like. And then you just bake it 20 minutes, and there you go. Golden, perfect raspberry muffins. These are great with a cup of coffee or juice, whatever you like. Just can't wait to dive in. Enjoy.